Hello and congratulations on getting access to this video course on how to create teaser videos to sell your video products. This is video number 1, of course, and let's go ahead and jump on in. So this is the introduction. And before I want to get started, I want to start with mindset because I want to make sure that you're in the right mindset before we get started. And then we'll talk about the quick overview next and what you need to get started. So I really want you to not assume that this is a sales video course. Yes, in certain respects, we're going to be using the teaser videos to sell our product, but in the next video, you'll see how the funnel is laid out and how teaser videos fit into the piece of the puzzle. So the goal here is to tease, and you'll see why this is very powerful in just a minute. It's not necessarily a full-blown video sales letter, but we're going to use it to tease, build curiosity, and get people interested enough to sign up on your email list. That's the whole goal of this course. Now, the condition, of course, is this process will really only work if the video course is created well. That means there's an introduction, there's step-by-step process on solving a specific problem. And you'll see in just a minute what to look out for in the video course. So in other words, we assume that the course creator made a course that solves a problem that you can easily point out. All right, so let's jump ahead to the quick overview. This, of course, is video number 1, which is the introduction. Video number 2 is why teaser videos. And in that video, I'm going to elaborate what we mean by teaser videos to make sure that you're on the same page. And not only that, you understand where teaser videos fit in your funnel and how they can actually get people onto your email list and how then you can go from there to selling the product. Video number 3, we'll talk about teaser examples, and this is going to be part 1, and part number 2 will be video number 4. And in these 2 videos, I'm going to give you examples of teasers that you can use in your teaser video. So that way you can sort of develop a framework of what your teaser video will look like, and that will help you later on create a teaser outline. Video number 5, we'll talk about the to-do items, or the items that you need to accomplish before you move on to the rest of the video course. And video number 6, we'll talk about how to brainstorm your teaser outline based upon the things that you learned in the previous video. And of course, video number 7, we'll take the brainstorm, which will be a bunch of ideas, and we'll organize it, and then you will have your teaser outline. This is crucial to have before you create the teaser video. So once you've created essentially the framework, now you can begin the process of creating the video. So believe it or not, creating a video is actually very, very easy. It's about 10 or even 5%, a small percentage of the whole video creation process. The big part is actually getting the idea and creating the outline, if that makes sense. So in video number 8, we're going to talk about video software that you can use. We'll talk about free software, and we'll talk about software that costs money but is well worth it. And of course, video number 9 is video course snippets. And essentially what that is we are going to look at the video course as a whole and take snippets of the highlights that we can put in our teaser video. And of course, video number 10 is, last but not least, the creating of your teaser video. So once you got these snippets and once you have the outline, then we can take all the pieces of the puzzle and put them together and organize them based on the outline. That's why the outline is so important, because the last videos, video number 8, 9, and 10, are actually very easy. So if you're not technologically savvy and you're concerned about video creation and how that all works, don't worry, that's actually the most easy part. So let's talk about getting started and the tools and what you will need. You'll need a video course that you want to sell, And you'll need to have an end goal. What do you desire that the person will take? And if you don't really know what that is or what that looks like, don't worry about it, because we'll talk more about that in the whole video course, and that will become clearer as you watch and go through it. And of course, you'll need to have a video editing software, which, as I noted earlier, that in video number 8, we'll talk about that. And you'll need some money if you want to take it to the next level and make it professional. So we'll talk briefly about that in video number 10. But that's not necessarily required. So with that said, let's move on to video number 2.